Hey Mike, was the shooter off on that last match?
Crosshairs are.
What's that?
Where's the crosshairs?
The crosshairs were off?
They're wrong crosshairs.
You gotta recalibrate it?
Manually. Yeah, it's like contorted. Like the match in Hartford.
Oh, where the plate like bent out. Yeah. We should like do some. We should put like a horizontal support, so it's like on the intake or something.
Let's replace the arms first.
I think we were gonna replace them, but we didn't know we were gonna use them.
We make arms Akash, what are they doing?
The intake got a bit shifted because another robot came into it. We're just setting it back in place and fixing it up.
623 ventilators, 30 inches and 25 to 20
Run the intake.
Maybe I'll get this a little more.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Greg, what's the prognosis?
When we got hit by our teammate, it bent the crap out of the intake.
You just gotta bend it back, or gonna have to replace any parts?
We'll replace it. You're writing off on there. We're gonna replace it when we have our time. We're probably gonna do it over lunch break.
The 2-hour span at lunchtime?
Yeah, we'll do it during lunch.
After this match, we have to grab the other arm. Yeah, we'll do that. Well, we mean new arms replacement. Yeah, I know, we did.
We just don't have all the holes and stuff on the side.
It's just a matter of taking one of these off. And
Yeah, we got transfer drill. Alright, yeah.
that's not that bad.
Take our sickle off.
If we think about it as we're doing
It
it,
looks like a hammer sickle.
It fits some people who have small heads.